Hey, got an old Fire Stick gathering dust? Well, dust it off right now, because Netflix is pulling the plug on it tomorrow. Yeah, you heard that right. June 3rd, 2025 is doomsday for your 2014 Fire Stick. This isn't a drill, folks. If you're rocking one of the OG Fire Sticks or the original Fire TV box, Netflix is ghosting you. No more Stranger Things. No more Squid Game marathons. Poof, gone. But why? Is it a tech betrayal? A corporate cash grab? And what the heck is an AV1 codec got to do with it? In this video, we look into this streaming apocalypse, revealing exactly which models are getting the axe, why it's happening, and crucially, the best and cheapest Fire Stick upgrades right now. Hint, you might get 20% off. Okay, first things first, panic mode? Only if you've got tech older than some TikTok dances. We're talking specifically about models launched way back in 2014 and one specific Alexa remote model from 2016. That's it. If you bought your Fire Stick anytime in the last, say, 7 to 8 years, you're golden. Netflix isn't going anywhere for you. But how do you know if yours is a doomed relic? Super easy check. Grab your remote, go to Settings, My Fire TV, then check for your model name in About. If it says any of these, Fire TV Stick, first generation, 2014. Fire TV Stick with Alexa voice remote, first generation, 2014 or 2016. Or Fire TV, first generation box, 2014. Then Netflix is about to vanish like your motivation on a Monday morning. Netflix should have emailed you if you're affected, but let's be real. Who checks that promo folder? Better to check manually, right now. So why is Netflix suddenly giving the cold shoulder to these old faithfuls? Is it just because they're old? Well, kinda, but there's a juicy tech twist. The real villain here might be video quality. Netflix hasn't officially spilled the tea, but tech experts, and some sharp reporting, point the finger squarely at AV1. Huh? AV1 is this super efficient next-gen video codec. Think of it like a super compact zip file for super high quality video. Netflix is pushing it hard, especially for its Premium 4 KHDR tier. It saves them bandwidth and gives you a sharper picture. Win-win, right? Here's the catch. Those ancient 2014 Fire Sticks, their little brains literally can't understand AV1. They're stuck in the video stone age. Trying to force it would be like trying to run Cyberpunk 2077 on a potato. It just won't work, or it'd look awful. So Netflix faces a choice. Keep spending money and effort propping up ancient tech for a tiny fraction of users, or cut them loose to focus on better quality for everyone else. They chose option B. Harsh? Maybe. But honestly, 10 years is a lifetime in tech. These sticks stopped getting any meaningful updates years ago. The box in 2021, the sticks in 2022. They were already on borrowed time. Alright, so if your stick is on the hit list, what now? Do you have to throw it in the bin? Not necessarily. And upgrading might be way cheaper than you think. Seriously, Amazon has a deal. Option 1. Keep the fossil. You can still use it. Prime Video, Disney+, BBC iPlayer, ITVX, all four, they should keep working, for now. But let's be real, Netflix is the canary in the coal mine. How long before other apps follow suit? Plus, using a 10-year-old streaming stick in 2024 is like driving a horse and cart on the motorway. It's slow, frustrating, and missing so many modern features. Hello, Alexa voice search. Option 2, upgrade time. This is the smart move. And guess what? Amazon will give you 20% off a brand new Fire Stick, just for sending your ancient relic back, even that decade-old brick. That's a legit discount. Here's your upgrade cheat sheet. Option 1 would be the basic and brilliant Fire TV Stick HD 1080p. This option is massively faster than your old stick and has the Alexa voice remote included, a luxury back in 2014. Honestly, it's night and day. Alternatively, users could go for the 4K glory, Fire TV Stick 4K. If you have a 4K TV, this is the sweet spot. Dolby Vision, HDR, 10+, the works. Lastly, the future-proof king, Fire TV Stick 4K Max, would be a suitable alternative, with Wi-Fi 6E for super stable streams and Amazon's ambient experience, which which turns your TV into a smart display. Plus, this option comes with a bonus: Xbox Game Pass Ultimate Cloud Gaming. Play Fortnite, Call of Duty, Indiana Jones on your TV. No console needed. Serious value. I've got direct links to the best current prices on all these models: the HD, the 4K, and the 4K Max, down in the video description and pinned in my channel profile. Checking those links is the fastest way to see today's deals and get sorted. Plus, using them helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Now let's wrap this up. Think about it. That original 2014 stick cost £35. The new HD stick is £39.99 before your potential 20% trade-in discount. You're getting a spaceship for barely more than horse and cart money. Tell me, did this catch you off guard? Are you upgrading? What model do you have? Smash that comment section below. I read everything. Subscribe and hit the bell. We break down the biggest streaming tech news, deals, and tips every single week. No fluff, just the good stuff to keep you ahead of the curve.